NBA Top Shot is dead, down from its all-time March Madness highs. Do you think there are too many moments out there? This video is for you as we close out Series 2 and await for Series 3 as we enter into Top Shot winter. So let's explore the market sentiment, long-term plans, and beyond NBA Top Shot with the Flow blockchain. Tap that thumbs up and let's send it. What is up, Money Tribe? Mike Damazo here to help you navigate through NFTs as your no-shill resource. So for this video, we're gonna go back into OG videos that I was doing with NBA Top Shot. The market sentiment. For the longest, it felt like people didn't mention NBA Top Shot as much. Well, really, probably like a week or two. Maybe it was too many moments, or we were really getting into the game to notice the challenges and the pack drops. Sure, there even was a time when it felt like a huge flux of different challenges or quests to just go around, and especially like collector score rolling out, a lot of things were just coming out. And it definitely showed that the Dapper Labs team was listening. Now, I'm not going to front and say, yeah, I'm in the Discord, I'm in there talking to everybody, because I haven't been in a while, to be honest. I usually catch up on the chatter online through Twitter. The market was going down, but I wouldn't be one to just abandon ship. Now, in my opinion, everybody is different. This is part of the process. Now, not like the Sixers, because I do believe in practice, but this is a slow buildup and trust in NBA Top Shot. It's kind of like Giannis, how he built up on being back-to-back MVP and this year winning the championship. Let's use the example of a no-look three from LeBron as a marker. See, when I first came into NBA Top Shot in early March, the price for that moment was about $100. I gotta look back. But I recall at the time I had a coworker of mine that was transferring. He was going to a new command. He was going to ship. So I thought it would be dope to get him an NBA Top Shot moment, him being a huge Lakers fan. Well, he kind of dismissed the whole idea of NFTs and thought it was dumb, so I didn't purchase it. But I always remember like, okay, I should purchase that because it's only $100. I haven't purchased it yet, but definitely stick around because I do want to do a giveaway with that specific moment, and I'll let you know at the end of this video. Now, let's talk about the long-term belief in Dapper Labs to fuel NBA fandom. Okay, so currently they have the Summer League and a good amount of people that are there covering it. An example of some people is Packrip and Andrew come to mind because, their tweets are always popping up in my feed, and Packrip is someone that you could easily message and have a good conversation about NBA Top Shot or any NFT projects. Now, before the Summer League, they also had collaborations with Quavo and an attendance opportunity for the NBA draft, and even a whole suite for the Suns versus Bucks championship game. So that's about like 3 in real life perks, and this product is still in beta. Think about that, it's still in beta. They have not rolled out all their moves yet. Speaking of moves from Dapper Labs and the Flow blockchain, they recently had their collaboration with Shopify and the Chicago Bulls, releasing a limited quantity NFT drop. Now, granted, all I shot for those drops were bricks because I did not get any chance to mint any. But for them to be able to implement their product outside of NBA Top Shot, but still within that bubble with the Chicago Bulls, is a big deal. Sure, there are NBA team drops like Warriors or Celtics that come to mind, but this one is native to both Shopify and the Flow blockchain. So those other teams mentioned, their drops were on Ethereum and it was on OpenSea. If Series 2 taught us when packs, which is something, I feel like we could retire now that we're going to be going to Series 3 because even new users are able to purchase a pack. Series 3's question will most likely be when rake back, because everyone is waiting, and I'm not sure if there's any update, at least not at the time of this recording, on the specifics of the rake back, but it is definitely one to keep an eye on. Okay, so what else is there that's built on Flow? Let's look beyond NBA Top Shot. They have the N-Way Play a marketplace to collect and trade premium 3D NFTs. Right now, they released the NFT Olympic pins. As mentioned earlier, there was the first ever Chicago Bulls NFT minting an officially licensed collection, or their partnership with a Kickstarter breakout project known as Chain Monsters, which is an online game where you catch, battle, trade, and compete in a massive open world experience. Also, they have the CNN Moments Vault. So they're building out a lot of things. Now, with NBA Top Shot being dead, I don't think we are anywhere near that. Sure, we are going through growing pains, but I'm here to stick around and watch them to continue to build. And I definitely am looking forward to Series 3, which, what do you think they'll reveal in their future roadmap? So for the next video, I want to do a run it back to a previous one that I've done before, which is the Punks comic. The link for that video will be in the descriptions if you want to check that out to know what I'm talking about. Now, as far as NBA Top Shot, it definitely has helped onboard as many people in NFTs in general. So, as I mentioned earlier with the No Look 3 giveaway with LeBron, all you have to do is tap that thumbs up for this video, leave a like, sound off in the comments of what your favorite moment is from Series 2, and subscribe if you haven't already. We go over videos about NFTs and everything in between. Lastly, if you want some free Bitcoin, sign up with the link below for BlockFi, or if you want some free stocks, you can check out the links from Public, which is also in the descriptions below. Stay legendary, and I'll see you in the next video.